Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. Hope you all are having a great day. And we're back at it again with another tool haul. Hit up some of the pawn shops that I go to every couple months. And yeah, this is what I came up with. Not a whole ton of stuff, but some goodies in here for sure. So let's get right into it. This was definitely the find of the day. There's this guy. This is a Matco hole cutter kit. Kit number S417X. Now the crazy thing is, if you look this up, this will run you over $140 Canadian, which is wild. And I got this for $5, and it is like new. So what this is here, sorry, my hand's in the way. Oh, that's in there. Let's use one of our screwdrivers here. Pop that out. So, we have an arbor here. And this is sort of like an auto spring punch. I don't know if you can see that. Goes in. And you could thread on these little, almost like annular milling cutters. That's what they look like, at least. And these are pins. They're sort of centering pins. Anyway, this kit is like brand new. And yeah, it's pretty sweet. You got your size is 5/8 all the way down to what is it, 5/16. Yeah, here's the kit. This is really sweet. I don't have an exact use case for it at the moment, but I know this will be super handy. So there's that guy. Anyway, $15 in the whole haul today, or whenever this was the other day. $15 altogether total. So it's 10 for everything else, 5 for that. So I think I made it out pretty darn good. Another nice find. I haven't cleaned it up at all, but I'm sure you could tell what these guys are. Just barely make it out in the rust. Channellock. Let's just quickly hit it with the wire brush here. That help? Not really. Try again. I'm using a wire brush I got from one of those garage sale, estate sales I went to, and it's not very good. Maybe you can make it out there. Anyway, it's a Channellock, but a 10-inch. Works good to clean up. Yeah, so that's a sweet find. This isn't anything special. This is a Taiwanese wrench, but it's an ITC, and it is a 20mm. Not a common size. And this would be only the second 20mm I have, so it's always good to have at least 2 of each size wrench. So there's that guy. Here we've got a beautiful specimen of Fuller. This is a 5/8, and this is a chrome molybdenum. Alright, it's not. It's a KTC Japan. Excellent condition. So that's one for the collection. This one here, it's a nice looking wrench. I don't really know anything about it. So you got a logo. It's a circle with some, I can't tell, sort of a squiggly line in it. This is a KBS Alloy Steel Japan, and it is a B82. Also has an N on it there, and it's a 1719. It's a really nice looking wrench. It feels good. So there's that guy. Don't know anything about that yet. Here we have a not greatly stamped 7/16 ETF Canada. Nice, nevertheless. Got a bit of the lobster claw going on there, but it is what it is. Another really good condition wrench. Good old gray Canada 3/8. 0 series. This is quite old. So that's nice. We got a Craftsman single line V USA 1/4 inch ratchet. It's pretty chunky. I think we've got some broken teeth. But either I'll be able to find a repair kit, or it'll just be for the collection. You know, it's nice to have. So there's that guy. This isn't anything special, but it's not made sold at Canadian Tire for MasterCraft anymore. What this is a screw holding screwdriver. So You take that up, put your screw in, and I'm going to show with my nail, and it comes and it holds it there. So that's pretty sweet. It's nice and smooth. It's like it's never been used. So I do have a few screw holding screwdrivers, but this is just a nice one that's easy to use, and I don't have to worry about wrecking it because some of the older ones are quite nice. Almost passed this up, but this is an ideal, definitely pretty old speed driver. This is locked up currently, and this isn't tight in it, so it needs some work. Piece of paper was wedged in there. But, so it has a Phillips number 2 there, and did the classic shake. You can hear there's more bits in it. We have a fully threaded cap here. Yeah, threaded onto a stud. You see that there. And we just have a single slotted that fits in there as well. Yeah, it's a bit tight. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty sweet. Another one to clean up for the collection. I don't think this, what's the deal here? Why does that still fit like that? Oh, I guess so. It looked too long. Anyway, there's that guy. It's pretty sweet. Pardon me. Here we have a Phillips number 2 gray. This would be still old, but a newer gray. I think from the 70s, 80s, 90s, somewhere in that range. This is 5522. It doesn't say Canada on it. I've seen this exact handle marked USA, so it could have been that strange time when they were with Bonnie for a bit. This is another one, that style of, call it, screw holding, or bit holding screwdriver handle. This is a Japan one. I just like these. There's nothing special, but it's cool, and it's in great condition. So there's that guy. This one was from a different haul, just something I grabbed over the last few weeks. This was at a Habitat for Humanity, but this is a gray CP1 Canada. There's that guy. Just a Phillips number 1 driver. Nice size, I like it. So there's that guy. And onto our sockets. Nothing too special. I got a Stanley Challenger 3/4, 3/8 deep 6-point. Husky USA 3/8 drive 3/8 6-point deep. A Gray Canada T16 3/8 drive 1/2 inch shallow 12-point. I've seen a few of these around. I've found out this is Genius Tools. It's a Taiwanese manufacturer, kind of like a decent quality, though, like sort of like your Sunex, Tecton, etc. Capri. And this is a 1/4 drive 3/8. Was that 8 or 10-point? So that's kind of cool. And here we have a Napa Ultra Pro Torx T15 1/4 inch bit socket. So yeah, not a big haul, guys, but it's definitely some pretty sweet items, especially considering everything here, $15. I believe actually with $15.25 they sell these for 25 cents a screwdriver at Habitat. So yeah, any questions, comments, opinions, thoughts, etc. But wait, if you hung around, guys, for my awesome subscribers, I've got something for you. So if you guys been watching, we were giving away these 3 drivers for 300 subscribers. We've added a 4th. These are all USA-made Craftsman drivers that have never really been used. Like this one might have been used once, but these are gorgeous drivers. And one lucky person that comments with the numbers 300 for 300. Comment that up, and I'll use one of those websites to pick a comment, and I'll announce it in a video. And yeah, pretty much just like the video, subscribe, leave a comment of 300, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, you're eligible to win these guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, take it easy.